Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pro. Please like, comment and share this video. Uya trend K Ngonyama, popularly known as Yarms and Xoli Gcabhashe, popularly known as M, guys. Ngemva kokuthi bahlukane nema boyfriend abo, guys. So it's like they were going through stages of heartbreak at the same time. So starting K Yams keep a video on her channel whereby Umokelo was just talking about ukuthi bekafisa ukuthi ngathi ngabe kushayela isikhathi lesi sekashadile sanebantwana. Of course uthi uyaqo ukuthi it's not everyone that she meets that afisa ukuthi ngathi angashada naye, but uyasho ukuthi my relationship most of the time they don't work out, and because so emotional when she was saying all these things, guys. Bekava buhlungu bombona ukuthi she's not okay. Okay Ngonyama said ukuthi bekajolana nomnye guy mvetanyana unema dreadlocks. I think the guy is Nigerian if I'm not mistaken, and the guys Umokelo was so in love besimbona nje ukuthi usemathandweni, and unfortunately it didn't work out. Moving on kuXoli Gcabhashe, uXoli naye was in love. Bekasitshela ke ukuthi uyafly kule boyfriend yakhe uyakwebona, and ngaphandle kokuthi asitshele, we knew ukuthi the guy was not South African. Maybe naye beka I think Congolian or Nigerian somewhere there, but naye the guy was not South African. And keep a video naye show ukuthi things didn't work out. Uve buhlungu. She feels like her world was just falling apart. Bekaba nema-car accidents, bekaba nema-moods, uze walahlekela nabangani because she was going through the most. Uthi bengakhona ikhendlesha le pain, guys. Uthi it was bad. You think ukuthi bantu laba famous banemali, they don't go through these things, but that they do. Kesana my heart breaks nabo ayabathola, and it's very sad kesana because they wabona ukuthi sometimes life so bangekho right. But anyway, city love and light to them. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I will see you next time. I'm signing out. Goodbye.